Good morning, everyone. I wanted you to practice with uploading some written work into a document. I'm going to throw it into our chemistry portfolio, which is where I would like you to throw your practice attempt so that I know you understand how to use your computers in order to do this. Now, you can use your cell phones. They actually take higher quality, way better photos than your computer. However, when in school, we have some less than perfect service. So if you're at home, I would highly recommend snapping a photo with your phone, editing it so that it is easy to read and perfect, if you will, and then saving that to your Google Drive so that you could insert the photo from your Google Drive. If you are at school or you don't have a phone that has those capabilities, then you can use your computer. So from your chemistry portfolio, I want you to, after wherever you put all of your classification of matter vocabulary, or after your last vocabulary slide, I want you to sort of click in here. You can go to slide and, whoops, slide and new, insert a slide here. Put a title in that says practice attempt at uploading written work. Perfect. So I have already given an example of some written work over to the side. I'm going to show you how to post that, and then I want you to practice on a piece of paper, writing the exact same thing that I have, which is just a nice little letter to me with your name on it. And then go ahead and upload it into your chemistry portfolio. So you're going to, when you're ready, click into the place you wish to upload your photo. Go to Insert, Image. We're going to scroll all the way down to the camera, and you'll notice that, hi, here we are. So from this point, all you're going to do is grab your written work, whatever it is, practice problems, blah, blah, blah. In this case, it's a super awesome note to me that just says, hey, here's my practice attempt, and you're going to put your name on it. Okay, so here's the tricky part, right? We got to try to line this up. And of course, it's always going to be slightly backwards. So if I'm making you seasick in my attempt, I apologize. So we're just going to hold that up. Make sure we can kind of read it. We can always crop it for perfection later. So you get your work in there. Boom, we get the picture taken. So from here, sorry about this hair, we have the picture up and it's highlighted in this blue line here. So that is the picture I'm selecting. And I click insert. And hey, there it is. Would you look at that? Now, this is all fine and dandy, except I really don't want my fingers and partially one eye and my forehead in there. So if I double click onto that photo, it brings up my editing capabilities and so the cropping function. I'm sure most of you with your photo taking skills here have cropped photos in the past. So that black bar just comes down. I'm going to try to cut out all of my fingers, but not my work, right? I don't want my work to get cut out. And then my face here, let's whoop, bang. And so we're just going to crop all this up, and then I hit enter, and look, there it is. And if I need to blow that up, whoop, we use the little blue boxes and we make it nice and large. You're going to want to remember if you're doing written work, practice problems, things like that, the darker the ink or writing utensil, the better for showing work. If it's really light pencil, it won't show up. And if I can't read your work, well, then it's useless. So if you prefer not to type everything out, which is not always going to be able to be done, then you need to practice right now on a separate piece of paper, writing me my lovely little note. Ooh, I cropped out the word hi. Oh well. That says, hi Sarge, here's my practice attempt at uploading my written work, and put your name, literally your actually birth given name, down below. And go ahead and insert it into our chemistry portfolio, and we're going to leave it there as a practice attempt. Now, if you don't like this larger box surrounding that, if you just click on that and hit delete, it removes it. So no really giant text box. in your portfolio. Oh, look, I can still see my fingers. I'm going to crop that again and say boop. Nope, good. Enter. Look at that, even better. Let's see if I can get the word hi back in there. Ooh. Oh, you can't even read the word hi. Uh-oh. See, got to make sure you can always read your work. Excellent. Well, there it is, folks. My attempt at teaching you how to upload written assignments using the computer on your, no, using the camera on your computer. Have a lovely morning. And don't forget to check the agenda so you know what else you need to do today.